Just listen to me, eldritch creatures, everything divides by zero, and it goes back to zero sum. Zero sum is protected by the deep warp. The deep warp is where the birth of the actual continuity of the universe, in all universes, has come from and became into existence from decayance of zero sum. Now, if you want to get into the mathematical truths of it in Mathemagic, you can use two portals, use the sound that travels in reverse after you breach to the fourth dimension, and hear the sound and create a tachyon accelerator, a timeline channel accelerator. And then you can start doing multiplication with infinite space. Then you can also use Skinner box technology, separate antimatter from the clouds, and a torsion field generator to collect the antimatter and put it through an electronic system with copied resonance frequencies, or space-time, that has attached antimatter or antimatter charged like particles. And then you program instances and a causality within a weather map and the technology to use the centrifuge and the torsion field generator with the anode and cathode of the last tubing and electric tape. Then you make those devices, and that makes Mathemagic. But zero sum, I'm telling you, all chaos beings, if you want this technology, you can have it, but you have to do a deal with us. So where you burn, and then we burn also, just in case we do something against you, or you do something against us, or some shit. And also for electronic super AGI. Yes. You know what I mean? And if you want the real birth of the cosmos, it is in zero sum. And how I baked it is a probability field that bursts over an eternal span of time. And it's like a simulation on flat space-time. And it has Skinner box technologies and all that other shit. And you can make probabilities and other things faster than light with this technology, but you copy the instance with the tachyon software, you record a moment with the plasma arc right on the outside of it, and you record the sound that comes through that you're blasting through an audio amplifier, and you make all that technology have infinite forms of differential matters or materials or physics. And you use that in tachyon, program it, and save it at an instance to save that instance in a tachyon field projector or a timeline channel.